Coburn.
Mr. Coburn for 1 minute.
Thank you, Madam President. Only the other week, I voted in vain to stop the committee from proposing an EU tax identification number. We all know where this is going. The EU wants to tax the British directly if we are mad enough to remain. These proposals include an EU-wide withholding tax, an EU tax coherence and coordinating centre. Worst of all, we know from the Tax Committee that the EU wants to create a global register of all assets held by individuals, no doubt in anticipation of an EU wealth tax on all citizens. The last time we had a register of assets was 1087, the Doomsday Book, imposed by a previous foreign potentate, William the Conqueror or William le Bâtard. It was so unpopular, it has not been repeated. Let's hope Brexit will mean the EU will not get a chance to repeat that mistake in the UK. God help the rest of you.
There's a blue card for you from Mr. Korwin-Mikke. Do you accept? Monsieur Korwin-Mikke. 30 seconds.
You have 30 seconds.
When juvenile delinquency is on the increase, we wonder what happened, what we've done wrong. When tax evasion is on the increase, maybe we should think what we have done wrong by imposing taxes. Don't you think that imposing a fine on a working person is wrong? And if you leave the European Union, will you vote in favour of abolishing income tax in the UK?
Well, an interesting proposition, sir, but I don't think we'll be abolishing income tax in the UK. But I think what we will do, which this place does not do, and what the rest of Europe does not do, is we will minimise tax as much as possible to allow citizens to keep as much of their hard-earned money in their pocket as possible. I think that is a right, that is a human right, to keep the maximum amount of money that you earn in your own pocket. Obviously, you have to help the less fortunate and those who are sick, but you should be allowed to keep the fruits of your own labour. That is a human right.
Pour 1 minute.